Hello students, let's start Max NCERT. Chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. So take out page number 81, chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. So students, you can able to see the picture. Here is the animal cart. Okay, animal cart means bullock cart, cow cart, horse cart. Okay, so this is a vegetable cart. It's a bus, bicycle. They are run with help of wheels. So this kid here is there. He is saying, "Hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this." So here the bicycle wheel, bus wheel, then tractor wheel, then cart wheels. Okay, they are in the shape of round. So here in this girl is making a roti, chapati. So it is in the shape of round. The boy is playing with the wheel. It is in the shape of round. Here the potter is making a pot with help of a wheel. So the shape of the wheel is round. So you must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. So we have to write the things which is round in shape. So bangles, it is in the shape of round circle. Then glass, it is in the top side of the part is shape of a circle. Then next bowl, then coins, then drum is in the shape of circle, then tire, then plate, then moon, sun, globe, then ball. So these are the things which are round in shapes. Now page number 82, round bangle. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? Yes, girls will go in bangle shop. Yes, I went to a bangle shop with my mom. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. So how we will purchase the bangle? According to our hand size, we will purchase the bangle. Yes or no? Yes. Guess which of these bangles is of your size. So your three bangles of different size are given. So we have to find out which of these will be size of our hand. So the smallest bangle is of your size. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your madam or mother wear this bangle? I made a bangle by wrapping it around a pipe. No, my teacher cannot wear this bangle because you made the bangle of your size. So teacher can't able to wear this bangle. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? So with help of a bangle we can make a circle. So here they are asking okay, what are the other things? So with help of that you can make a circle. So with help of there are so many things around us which can be used to trace a circle. They are such as coins. With help of coins we can make a small circle, then bowl, then plate, glass, cap of bottle, etc. Now next question, same page. Trace a circle with the help of some of these things in your notebook or on the ground. Which things makes the smallest circle? So which things will make a smallest circle? So this is a circle made using a coin and this is a circle made using a glass. So which things makes the smallest circle? So coin makes the smallest circle. Which things makes the biggest circle? So glass makes the biggest circle. Page number 83, games with circle. Children are playing some games. So it is a game 1. So here all children are sitting in a circle and one boy will run. In his hand he will take a handkerchief and all children will sing a song. So when the song will complete, the boy have to throw the handkerchief to anybody's back. So whoever got the handkerchief, then he will catch the boy. Uh, she has to catch the boy, and the boy will sit in the place of the girl. And the same way the game will continue. Okay, this is the game 1. And now next game. So here two teams are there, and the two teams will have the same name, and they will call the name, and according to that name they have one member from each team have to come ahead. And here is the circle. In middle of the circle one handkerchief is there. So they have to take the they have to take the handkerchief. So who has got the handkerchief, that team is the winner. So this is the game 2. Okay, so you also played this two game. Do you play these games? Yes, I play these games. Which song do you sing when you play this game? Play this? So there are so many songs which we sing while playing these games. One of them is Rain Rain Go Away, Come Again Another Day. We children want to play Rain Rain Go Away. So you can write here any song. Play these games in your school. Now why do we make a circle in each of these games? Because a circle has no corner, and every children stand at the circle gets equal importance and opportunity. What if a rectangle was made? Discuss. So what will happen? Next question. What if a rectangle was made? Discuss. So although some games are played by making rectangles, but some games such as cricket require a circle. If a rectangle is made in a cricket, the distance of a boundary from the players will become unequal. So next question, think of some other games you play by making circles. So what other games we will play in a circle? Some games which are played by making circles are musical chair race, passing a parcel, etc. Now page number 84, making a circle. Naina, Chipu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. Chipu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. Okay, so Hariba started to draw a circle with help of a stick. So, but Chipu and Naina, what they are saying, okay, this is not looking like a circle. Hariba, okay, why don't both of you try? Chipu and Naina both make circle on the ground. So now they also started to make a circle with help of a stick. Here you can able to see the circle. Is any of these a good drawing of a circle? Discuss. Okay, they are asking, so their circles are proper? No, none is a good drawing of a circle. Can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk? Try. So you can draw a circle on the floor with help of a chalk? Yes, I can draw a circle on the floor using a chalk. So how the circle will look? It will look like this. Also draw a circle in your notebook using a pencil. So now we have to draw a circle in our notebook with help of pencil. The circle drawn in the notebook using a pencil is given here. So in notebook we will draw circle like this. It will come in a proper way. Look at the circles drawn by your friends. Who has drawn the best circle? So we have to now see in our friends group, okay, whoever drawn the circle best. So first Hamid, Rail, Ashok, Molu. So Hamid has drawn the circle in small circle, then Rail drawn like a oval shape, Ashok also drawn like a oval shape, and Molu draw the circle properly. So whose circle is best? So the circle drawn by Molu is the best.